we're going to make a peanut fried rice. If you want to make this dish same day, cook your rice ahead. Then we need to quick cool it. So what I do is transfer it, just like you would in a restaurant, onto a baking sheet. So we're going to cool some rice, or you can use leftover rice, of course. We're gonna start with about 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and I'm adding it to a small pot where I've already grated in a couple inches of fresh ginger and 4 large fat cloves of garlic. So ginger, garlic, peanut butter, and then about 1/4 cup also to the peanut butter of soy sauce, 2, 3, 4. That's pouring at a slow count to the number 4. Same deal with the chicken stock or vegetable stock if you're going to make vegetarian fried rice. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have equal amounts, 1/4 cup each of those ingredients. And we have our ginger and our garlic, a little squirt of honey to add some sweetness to our sauce. A little Worcestershire or vegetarian Worcestershire. And then we're going to add in just a drizzle of toasted sesame oil, which is a condiment, not a cooking oil, so a little goes a long way. And we're going to place our special sauce over gentle heat. In the pan, I rendered some bacon and I added a little bit of chopped raw shrimp. So we have bacon and shrimp sitting here. In the bacon drippings, or you can just use high temperature cooking oil. Oil that's very light in color means you can cook at very high temperature. So either in the drippings, if you're gonna add bacon to your fried rice, drippings from that, or in high temp oil, you're going to literally fry your rice until it's crispy and starting to lightly brown. Then, whether you want vegetarian or you're adding meat, you can add in your blanched chopped broccoli or broccolini. Put that back there. I'm gonna add a little touch more oil in the middle here for the broccolini. So the pan looks a little dry. And then really whatever you want. I like, because we already have ginger and garlic going into the dish with the sauce, I'm gonna put in my onion action with some leeks and a small white or red onion. And then I'm going to add a combo of spicy red or green peppers and sweet red or green peppers. Okay. And then I'm gonna use a little chopped rotisserie chicken, everybody's favorite for quick cooking. That's good. And what the heck, I have it here to show you all the different examples of protein. I'm even gonna add some crumbled tofu and a little bit of edamame. So it'll be colorful, a great mix of textures, and nice and crispy. I got the pan so full, it's gonna go everywhere though. Okay, and that's the fun of making your own takeout style foods. You can control the salt, the fat, and the quality and quantity of each of the ingredients. We're gonna let that crisp up a bit, and we're gonna cook our eggs. Gonna get the pan hot first. So in a nonstick skillet, with just a drizzle of that high temp cooking oil, we're gonna beat up a couple of eggs and add a little splash of that toasted sesame oil and a little bit of soy sauce for our salt. There we go. Splash of soy and a little drizzle of sesame oil. Yum. Okay, this is literally everything and anything fried rice. We're mixing in our peanut, soy, ginger, garlic sauce with bacon, shrimp, chicken, broccoli, sweet and hot peppers. It smells amazing. I added in our soy sesame scrambled eggs. And then we're gonna come on down the line and top it again with some crunchy chopped up dry roasted peanuts. I agree. A little scallion.
Yes.
I love pickled hot peppers on everything.
Yes.
And then your choice of toasted sesame seeds, which is delicious, or I squealed in the Whole Foods when I found this. It's everything bagel spice in a bottle.